We are basically in a blizzard coming home with these bales, and this was not expected. So before it gets too dark, I am going to start talking to you guys. Sheldon and I took a little bit of a road trip to go find straw because snow is coming and our cows need bedding. So we traveled about an hour away from home, and we are right now, as we speak, Sheldon is he is loading up oat straw. So we looked into oat straw a little bit. There's like some people's opinions about oat straw, but then like we're looking at other websites where they would say oat straw is like the most absorbent compared to wheat or barley. It kind of be like oat would be the most absorbent, then there'd be wheat, and then there'd be barley. But then there's people, they have their opinions and they're like, no, like oat wheat sucks or oat straw sucks. So I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. Apparently it's very pretty. So you guys, our farm's gonna be really pretty this winter. Oh man. So yeah, we gotta load this up. I think we're getting like 50 bales or something like that, and then from there we will head all the way home in the dark, because guys, it is definitely winter and it is almost 5 o'clock and it is dark. So welcome to the dark ages. We were not prepared for what happened next. Here we are, stuck on the road in a blizzard, and our trailer lights aren't working. This is what we're driving in, and the roads are crazy icy. And it's taking us forever to get home. So we've been on an adventure. We tried to get off the highway just so that we wouldn't be bothering people, and we ended up on some crazy field road that we shouldn't be on, and we had to turn around in the blizzard, and Sheldon couldn't see where he's going with the trailer. Are you having fun, babe?
No.
So something that we were saying earlier was, well, at least it's a visibility issue. It's not like the roads are terrible. And then we tried to stop at an intersection and we were sliding through the intersection. And so we've realized it's very icy. It just seems like it's turned around really quickly, because we were driving on these roads an hour ago or hour and a half ago and it wasn't icy. The roads are completely fine, and it's just everything's turned around so quickly. And so we are just over halfway home. And we tried to get off the highway because our lights on the trailer were flickering, and so we didn't want to be a distraction to anybody on the roads. So we ended up taking a turn off, and I tried to navigate on Google Maps a way that we could get home on gravel, and I did okay for the first 6 miles, and then we had to cross over a big highway and a train track, and then all of a sudden we're on this muddy field road. It's like, oh no, turn around, just turn around, we have to get off of here. So now we have opted to get back on the highway. The lights seem to be working a lot better on the trailer, and we're just taking it slow down the highway. And we've only had one vehicle honk at us so far, but seriously, like, this is Farmville. Why would people be honking at somebody that's pulling bales behind them? And we're not losing bales. They weren't warning us that we were like losing our load on the highway. No, they were just annoyed with us. So yeah, we are slowly limping home. Now we're in familiar territory. We're very familiar with the roads that we're on now. And so I don't think that it should be any more adventurous than what we've already had. So here's hoping. And just like that, we have winter wonderland. I cannot believe how much it snowed. When we left, it was all grass. This is crazy. Well, we made it home. We are home sweet home. Sheldon is now going to bed the animals because, well, they need it. Can you see that? That's actually snowed a lot. Can't believe that. Wow. So, gonna go inside, light a fire, make sure the animals are all cozy and warm. And apparently there's a lot of snow coming. And then I thought steak was on the menu. It's Thursday night. And you know what Thursday night is? It's Friday Eve. So we, for some reason, have steak. It's fantastic. So I'm going in now to get cozy. So are you just outside shoveling?
I'm barbecuing.
You're barbecuing. Because it's Thursday night.
Thursday night. Thursday Eve. Best night of the week.
Thursday Eve?
Or Friday Eve, sorry. I always get it wrong.
No, you don't.
Friday Eve. I have to start doing Thursday Eve.
No way. Friday Eve. It's the day before the weekend, so
Best night of the week.
we celebrate with steak.
Steak.
How's it going with the steak?
Going good. I've got tenderloin wrapped in bacon.
Nice.
Beef tenderloin.
It looks like Christmas behind you. Well, everyone, that's all I had for you. We ended up having our supper only at 8:30 that evening, and we were tuckered out. So we look forward to seeing you in the morning. Thanks for joining us.